In this video, I will show you how we can change the default file location in Excel 2016. So first of all, if you do not save your files to OneDrive, you can choose the Excel will not show you whenever you save your file. The Excel will not show you the OneDrive option. Basically, when you click on save, the Excel show you different path where you can save your file. One path is OneDrive and other path is locally. So you can uh, direct Excel to or to show this option of OneDrive and save your all the documents locally. So to do that, you can go to options and go to save, and here is the show additional places for saving even if sign in may be required. Just uncheck this and click on OK. So next time you want to save your file, Excel will not show the OneDrive path, only your this PC. Next option is whenever we save any file, there is a default location, local file location, and you have to click on this save to computer by default if you are unchecking this. And default file location is C user test documents. And if you have any, if you don't want to lose your data because in C drive there all your operating system files are stored. If the operating system gets corrupted or you are not able to boot, you will lose your documents also, unless you have some recovery done of your PC through control panel utility known as backup and restore. As you can see, our file history save your all the files like libraries, desktop, contact, and favorite. This include library, include all the documents, pictures. So if you want some Excel to show you the alternate location, like I have created this location in my E drive Excel. If you want Excel to show every time you save a new file, uh, this location you can copy this path from here and go to Excel option and paste this. Okay. Now if you want to save your file, and you have to uncheck this option also, which I have told you earlier in my practical, that don't show the backstage view. So Excel will open the save as dialog box here. So you can see that whatever path you have given is now showing. So in this way, you can change the default file location in Excel. Thanks for watching.